What does it take to control the nerve center of India's largest state quietly, efficiently, without ever chasing the spotlight? An officer who doesn't speak much, but whose files decide everything. Hello, I'm Bhakti Kothari, and you're watching Indian Masterminds. Today, I'm taking you inside the journey of a man who sits at the very core of power in Uttar Pradesh, IAS officer SP Goyal, the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh. On July 31st, 2025, when Shashi Prakash Goyal took charge as the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh, this wasn't just another bureaucratic appointment. This was a signal. A signal that Uttar Pradesh, India's most populous state, was choosing continuity, control, and command as it moved closer to the high-stakes 2027 assembly elections. Because this wasn't an officer arriving suddenly at the top. This was an officer whose entire career had been quietly preparing for this moment. So let's rewind. SP Goyal is a 1989 batch IAS officer, and not just any officer. He was All India rank 1 in the UPSC Civil Services examination. Born in Lucknow in 1967, his roots are firmly in UP. And his education? Unusually diverse for a civil servant. He studied mathematics, completed a master's in computer applications, and later earned an executive MBA in international business from IIFT. This mix of numbers, technology, and economics would later define his administrative style. Structured, data-driven, and system-focused, not personality-driven. Before Delhi, before power corridors, came the field. As assistant magistrate in Etawah, joint magistrate in Mathura, and later district magistrate in Mathura, Etawah, Prayagraj, Deoria, and Aligarh, SP Goyal dealt with the toughest tests of administration: law and order, development delivery, and crisis management. He also served as Chief Development Officer in multiple districts, giving him deep exposure to grassroots planning and execution. This is where his reputation was built, an officer who understood both files and field realities. One of the most striking aspects of SP Goyal's career is his ability to remain relevant, no matter who's in power. Over the years, he worked under the Samajwadi Party, BSP, and BJP governments, holding sensitive positions like Secretary, Planning Department, Principal Secretary, Program Implementation, Staff Officer in the Cabinet Secretariat, Principal Secretary, Public Service Commission. This phase sharpened his political administrative instincts, knowing when to push, when to pause, and how to protect institutions. Then came a defining turn: central deputation. SP Goyal served as Joint Secretary in the Department of Higher Education and worked inside both the Prime Minister's office and the Presidential Secretariat. These roles placed him right at the heart of national decision making, where policies are shaped, ministries coordinate, and states negotiate power with the center. Equally important, this phase built strong Delhi-level bureaucratic networks, connections that later strengthened his authority back in Uttar Pradesh. In 2017, when Yogi Adityanath became Chief Minister, SP Goyal was brought into the Chief Minister's office as Principal Secretary. What followed was extraordinary. For nearly 8 years, he stayed inside the CMO, later becoming Additional Chief Secretary, handling crucial departments like civil aviation, estate, protocol, coordination, and Additional Resident Commissioner. Within bureaucratic circles, he earned a reputation as the Chief Minister's most trusted officer. Sensitive files, complex coordination, long-term planning, those went to SP Goyal. He stayed away from cameras, rarely spoke publicly, and focused on one thing: control and execution. So when SP Goyal was appointed Chief Secretary, succeeding Manoj Kumar Singh, it felt inevitable. Uttar Pradesh was accelerating on infrastructure, industrial investment, and governance discipline, and needed a steady hand. Initially, he was entrusted with an exceptional concentration of power: Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner, Chairman PICUB, CEO UPEIDA, CEO UPSHA, Additional Chief Secretary, Coordination Project Director UPDASP. This made him one of the most powerful bureaucrats in the state, overseeing administration and economic expansion. From day one, SP Goyal made his priorities clear: zero crime, zero corruption, administrative discipline, and rapid industrial growth. One move sent shockwaves across the bureaucracy. He ordered strict action against tens of thousands of government employees who failed to submit mandatory asset declarations. Salaries were stopped. Departmental action began. Deadlines were enforced. The message was unmistakable. At the same time, he pushed districts to speed up flagship schemes like Ayushman Bharat, Swamitva, and PM Kisan, openly calling out slow performers and demanding accountability. As Chief Secretary, Goyal also took charge of preparing UP for the census 2027. This meant planning the deployment of nearly 6 lakh personnel and steering the state towards digital enumeration readiness. Again, his style was consistent: tight monitoring, cross department coordination, and early preparation. Just weeks into office, SP Goyal faced a serious personal challenge. After experiencing chest pain, he was diagnosed with coronary artery disease and underwent heart surgery in Delhi. His sudden medical leave triggered speculation, but the system held. Senior IS officer Deepak Kumar was given temporary charge, ensuring continuity, and the surgery was successful. SP Goyal returned and resumed control with minimal disruption. In many ways, this episode proved the strength of the system he had built. Among colleagues, SP Goyal is known as sharp, direct, and immune to pressure. He gives clear instructions, has little tolerance for delay, and expects outcomes, not excuses. He doesn't seek attention. His influence is felt through files that move fast, meetings that end decisively, and decisions aligned tightly with political priorities. With Panchayat elections approaching and the 2027 assembly polls on the horizon, SP Goyal's presence at the top is strategic. Though scheduled to retire in January 2027, discussions around a possible extension highlight the value of continuity during a sensitive political phase. His elevation reflects more than seniority. It reflects trust earned over decades. SP Goyal's journey isn't about dramatic headlines. It's about sustained control over complex systems. From a UPSC topper to a field officer learning governance the hard way, to a Delhi bureaucrat inside the PMO, to the chief secretary steering India's most populous state, every phase led to this role. Today, as Uttar Pradesh balances growth, ambitions, political pressures, and administrative scale, SP Goyal remains the quiet power coordinating it all. Firmly in charge, deeply trusted, and completely embedded in the machinery of the state. I am Bhakti Kothari, and this was Indian Masterminds. If you found this deep dive insightful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, because behind every big decision, there's a mind worth knowing.